Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Grammarlygo for emails. So you can simply use Grammarlygo to help you with whether writing emails or sending replies. You can simply use that. I will show you. So firstly go to Grammarly and log into your Grammarly account. So you can either use the desktop app or even the browser extension, so either one that works for you. So just log into your Grammarly account first. So once logged in, you can install the Grammarly for your machine. For whether you are using a Windows or the Mac machine, you can install it, or you can also use the web extension if you go to your browser extensions, and you can also download the web extension here. So either way, you just install Grammarly on your machine. So I'm just going to do that. I'll just use the web browser extension. So I'm just going to add it to my web browser here. So I'm just going to do that. So once done, you can now open up your email platform. So whether you're using like Gmail or Yahoo or whatever. So for example, I'm going Gmail. So I'm going to access my Gmail. So open up your email platform. So once you've opened up your email platform, so now we also have Grammarly installed. So what we're going to do, we can simply use Grammarlygo to either you want to write an email or write a reply. Okay, so we can simply use that, and I'll show you how we can do that. For example, I've got my Gmail open here. Let's say I want to compose a new email. So let's say I want to compose a new email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the body here where I'm going to type the email here. So here, what I can do, go click on my browser extension or open up Grammarly. When you open it up, click on it. This will open up this icon here. So what we can do, you can click on this little icon there. So here you can tell what you want to do. Okay, so you can simply say for example, this is a prompt. For example, I want to write a professional follow-up email on a job application I sent last week. So I want this to do. Okay, you want this to do. So you can hit on this send option here, and what happens is that Grammarly will write this for you. So as you can see, Grammarly has now write the entire email for you. All you have to do is simply, including the subject, just copy and paste it. All you have to do is just insert whoever you are sending it to, and then the content, for example, like the job name and all those things. Just add those things. If you click on insert, this will be inserted here. As you can see now, this is now been inserted already. Okay, so you can now do you can edit a bit and then do any changes if you want to, so to suit your to suit your necessity. You can just change that, and then once you're done with that, and can add the names, the person's name and all those things here, and then all you have to do is hit on send. And likewise, you can also do these to reply to any email, or if you want to if you already have written an email and you want Grammarly to check it for grammar and all those things, the same thing. You just have to highlight it and then click on the same Grammarly option box here, and it will do the job for you. And the same thing here. So you just have to edit the text with your data here, like the job title, whatever you want to put it to, and then hit on send. So this is how you can use Grammarlygo for emails, which is pretty easy and makes your life really very easier to write emails or to deal with emails. That's pretty much it is.